Okay, Sam, so I thought I'd show you how this thing works. First of all, we take a good, it's a normal cable, and plugging it in here, and the corresponding one in the other room, of course, and turn it on. We're going to put it on slow, and you can see what it's doing here is it's comparing each one of the cables, each one of the wires in the cables, and if they're correct, they march down there and they're identical from end to end. So now what I've done here is I've taken a cable and opened it up, and I've deliberately reversed one of the wires in the cable to show you what it would look like if it was wired incorrectly. So we plug it in and turn it on, and you can see now, let me put it on slow speed, and you can see it as it's marching down. All of a sudden the lights are different, like there, and then it goes back in. So it's catching those two that are reversed. 2, 3 is different, 4 is the same, 5, 6 is different, 7 and 8. So that's basically what you're looking for. Is if that's the case, if you find that to be the case, then the wiring is switched around somehow, and that is going to present a problem. So that's it.